Hello everyone, welcome to our class. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about ways of prevention of infected diseases. Now, why the prevention is required and why we used to say that preventions are better than cure. Might be you have seen these kinds of statements nowadays on big hoardings also. The main reason behind that is few limitations which are there after the treatment, we can say, or during the treatment, we can say. Like throughout the chapter we get to know like how the person get infected, how it can be treated. But even after the course of treatment, the recovery of the patient is a question mark. Okay, it's not like that ki the complete recovery will be there. The organ which get infected will properly work the way it used to work earlier. Fine. So on the basis of that, we need to take some kind of precautions, some preventive measures to adopt in our life so that we can protect ourselves from various infectious diseases. So let's talk about the limitations which are there of the treatment. So that's why we used to say ki preventions are better than cure. First, that limitation which is there is improper functioning of body, we can see. Okay, it's not like that we can completely recover. We may or may not. Okay, some kind of side effect, some kind of impact is there of that particular disease. So that is the one limitation. इन्हीं को देखते हुए हम लोग यही बेटर समझेंगे कि हम प्रिकॉशंस लें, प्रिवेंशंस के मेथड्स अडॉप्ट करें. सेकेंड वाज दिस थिंग, ट्रीटमेंट टेक टाइम. ठीक है, ट्रीटमेंट का जो टाइम पीरियड होता है वो लंबा होता है. सो द पेशेंट confined to the bed, or we can say there is a wastage of time in the way, or we can say we get occupied not to do anything. ठीक है, हम अपने रूटीन के काम भी नहीं कर पाते हैं जब हम बीमार होते हैं. तो थर्ड थिंग इज द पर्सन बिकम द सोर्स ऑफ इन्फेक्शन. कोई भी पेशेंट है जिसका ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है, जो बीमार है, he or she can be the source of infection for the other healthy person within the family. इन सब चीजों को कंसीडर करते हुए it's better to take the precautions. So what are the different methods? Let's talk about that. Ways to or we can say ways of prevention of infectious diseases, or we can say communicable diseases. Two different ways are there. General ways which usually work for every kind of disease, like these are some common way which we used to adopt so that minor or bigger diseases can be prevented. Specific ways, which is the basis of the prevention, which is the principle of the prevention. Specific ways, when we will talk, then we're going to talk about vaccination. Okay, we'll talk about the same in detail. Let's take a look on the general ways first. as we have already discussed also, the very first way is sanitation, साफ सफाई. ठीक है, we know this thing. Public hygiene, personal hygiene is must. कहीं पर भी कचरा इकट्ठा होगा, ठीक है, कूड़े के ढेर लगे होंगे, गंदा पानी होगा, all that particular part become the source from where the diseases can spread. Fine. So this is very important to maintain the sanitation, to maintain the cleanliness at public places, at your home and personally. So this is the very first way to prevent. Second, proper food and whatever the diet you used to take. Okay, nutritious diet. We know that few component of the food like vitamins, minerals, they used to protect us from various diseases. So we need to take that kind of food which is containing all the nutrients in proper amount so that our body is capable of protecting us from the various diseases naturally. So this is the second way, by taking healthy, nutritious diet. Third way is isolation. Isolation means if there is any person who is infected, okay, so we need to isolate that person, और we can say कि हम उसको अलग से एक separate room में रखेंगे and will take care that when we are communicating, when we are contacting with the person, we're going to take some afterwards preventive measures like hand washing, putting on mask, putting on gloves, okay, and whatever the articles are used by the person will be kept separately. So this is the way कि हम disease person को अलग रखेंगे, हम खुद को उससे isolate कर लेंगे in that way. Okay. Next is, the next method is eradication of vector. We know this thing, what are vectors? The living organisms, it can be an insect which play a role of intermediate to spread varieties or various diseases. Okay, mosquito is one of them, housefly is one of them. So what we can do, we can completely eradicate means to उनको मतलब एकदम से खत्म कर देना कि वो like स्टेगनेंट वाटर में मॉस्किटोज ब्रीड करते हैं, तो हम पानी इकट्ठा ही नहीं होने देंगे कहीं पर, ठीक है, गंदगी जहाँ पे होती है वहाँ पे मक्खियाँ आ जाती हैं, तो हम लोग साफ सफाई रखेंगे, इन दैट वे वेक्टर्स बॉर्न नहीं करेंगे तो वो डिजीज फैला नहीं पाएंगे, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द अनदर वे, इरेडिकेशन ऑफ द वेक्टर. नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्टेरिलाइजेशन. स्टेरिलाइज करना, it means to kill the microbes from the surfaces. We use disinfectant, we use Dettol, we use antiseptic lotions, any other thing, or by boiling, by heating, we can kill the microbes from the various surfaces. Okay, so that is the one way. If we are coming in contact with some infected person or with the articles used by him or her, then we can use this method to prevent ourselves. That is sterilization. Okay. Next is by what we can say, sanitation is done, proper diet is done, then sterilization, everything we have done about that. The most important thing, education, means we need to make the people aware in our surrounding about all these things. Okay, there should be the correct information to be spread in our surrounding, like how this disease can spread, how we can prevent, all those things. So if we are aware, then we are able to protect ourselves. Got it? So all these things you can relate with the present COVID-19. So how it can spread, वो spread के modes को हम लोग avoid करके protect कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? That's why we used to advise to put on the mask, to wash our hand in that way. Okay, social distancing and all those are the preventive measures. They are not the way from which we can get treated. These are the way from which we are protecting ourselves from various infections. Okay, now we'll talk about the next topic, that is specific method of prevention. Okay. This is generally related to specific diseases. Okay. Specific ways of prevention. So the first important thing, or the important thing only which is to be considered over here, is vaccination. So before moving to this, we need to understand what is vaccine, how it was discovered, and how it will help in preventing us. You all are aware of this thing. Like when we are at the child age, we are having one vaccination card. Okay, that vaccination card, if I want to show you, if you can see over here, this is mentioned a vaccination, and different vaccines names are also mentioned over here, and these are the age on which these specific vaccines are given. It means what? Like when this specific method is adopted, it will make ourselves or our body ready to fight with the diseases in future. Okay? So what is this? Vaccination is to introduce vaccine into the बॉडी. ठीक है, टीकाकरण हम जिसको बोलते हैं, जो यंग एज से आफ्टर द बर्थ टिल द एज ऑफ 5, at the age of 10, at the age of 15, different vaccines are given. Okay, these are the medicines. So this vaccine which is given will help to strengthen the immune system. और immune system कैसे strengthen होगा? Because this vaccine will help to form antibodies. एंटीबॉडीज क्या है? हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम की डिफेंड करने वाली सेल्स. सो दीज एंटीबॉडीज प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम इन्फेक्शंस इन फ्यूचर. ठीक है, सो दिस method, if I'll talk about, where our body prepare antibodies after the vaccination. ओके, जहाँ पे हमारी बॉडी हमारे एंटीबॉडीज बना रही है, हमको रेडी कर रही है फ्यूचर में डिजीजेस से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. दैट इज टर्म्ड एज इम्यूनाइजेशन. दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज स्ट्रेंथनिंग द इम्यून सिस्टम. और स्ट्रेंथनिंग कब हो रही है? स्ट्रेंथनिंग the immune system, and when the immune system gets strengthened, when vaccination is done. So we can say vaccination help in immunization. ठीक है, So let's talk about this vaccine, what this vaccine is. So let's talk about vaccine. It was first discovered by Edward Jenner. Okay. What he did? He observed that the disease was there, cowpox, in the cow. Okay, that was caused by the cow virus. And the person who was related, or we can say those people who work with those infected cows, they get immune for the disease called smallpox. और इस चीज को उसने ऑब्जर्व किया और बाद में इसने क्या किया, काउ पॉक्स के इन्फेक्शन को एक हेल्दी पर्सन में इंट्रोड्यूस किया, उसमें उसको इंजेक्ट किया, एंड आफ्टरवर्ड ही गेट द रिजल्ट दैट द पर्सन इज इम्यून. इट मीन द पर्सन इज प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम द स्मॉल पॉक्स वायरस, because the virus which cause smallpox and cowpox are closely related. तो एक वायरस के इंट्रोडक्शन से डिजीज से प्रोटेक्शन हो गई ऑटोमेटिकली. ठीक है. सो दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द जनरेशन ऑफ स्पेशलाइज्ड सेल जिनको हम एंटीबॉडीज बोलते हैं. फाइन. सो इन दैट वे द वैक्सीन वाज डिस्कवर्ड. व्हाट दिस वैक्सीन इज? दिस इज अ antigenic proteinaceous substance. बहुत शॉर्ट में एंटीजन फॉरेन पार्टिकल होते हैं. ठीक है, जो भी हमारी बॉडी में बाहर से एंट्री करते हैं उनको हम एंटीजन बोल देंगे, और ये प्रोटीन के बने होते हैं. ठीक है. So what is there in the vaccine? It is the formulation. Formulation means उसको बनाया है of weakened or inactive microbe which causes that disease. And this help in generating antibodies, और ये एंटीबॉडीज फ्यूचर में उस इन्फेक्शन के अगेंस्ट फाइट करेंगे. फॉर्मुलेशन means what we are talking about. If I talk about पोलियो वायरस, ठीक है, पोलियो की जो डिजीज है उसमें जो पोलियो के ड्रॉप्स दिए जाते थे, बिकॉज इट इज नाउ इराडिकेटेड, खत्म हो चुकी है आफ्टर द लॉन्ग पल्स पोलियो प्रोग्राम, जिसमें पूरे देश में एक पर्टिकुलर डेट पे सभी अंडर 5 बच्चों को वैक्सीन किया जाता था. पोलियो की वैक्सीन दी जाती थी, 2 बूंद जिंदगी की. माइट बी यू आर एबल टू रिमेम्बर दैट. सो एट दैट टाइम उसमें है क्या, उस वैक्सीन में जो पोलियो कॉज कर रहा है वायरस, उसी वायरस को किस फॉर्म में लिया है, वीक फॉर्म में या फिर इनएक्टिव फॉर्म में. इट मीन्स कि वो डिजीज नहीं कॉज करेगा, बट जैसे ही उसको वैक्सीन के थ्रू बॉडी में इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा, डाला जाएगा, तो बॉडी उसको एज अ फॉरेन ट्रीट करके उसके अगेंस्ट एंटीबॉडीज बना लेगी. और जब फ्यूचर में एक्चुअली में जब वो वायरस आएगा तो एंटीबॉडीज ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड हैं और वो उस इन्फेक्शन को वहीं ट्रैप कर लेंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई these vaccines they are given at the early age to strengthen the immune system, क्योंकि छोटे बच्चों का इम्यून सिस्टम काफ़ी वीक होता है, तो उस एज में वो डेवलप हो जाए ताकि फ्यूचर में इन्हीं पर्टिकुलर डिजीजेस से उसको प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए. जितना हम किसी इन्फेक्शन के एक्सपोजर होते हैं इन्फेक्शन को लेकर, या फिर हम उसके कांटेक्ट में आते हैं, सो दे हेल्प इन व्हाट आई कैन से प्रोडक्शन ऑफ दीज एंटीबॉडीज। ठीक है, फ्रिक्वेंटली अगर हम बात करें लाइक चिकन पॉक्स, सो वंस द चिकन पॉक्स आकर इन आवर बॉडी, तो उस टाइम जब वो हुआ तो बॉडी ने एंटीबॉडीज बना ली। अब फ्यूचर में बहुत कम चांसेस हो जाते हैं कि वो हमें दोबारा हो। गॉट इट? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड वैक्सीन। वैक्सीन में क्या है? दिस इज अ मेडिसिन इन विच a microorganism which cause the same disease is taken in the weakened form or inactive form that will help in producing or generating the specialized defensive cells जिनको हम antibodies बोलते हैं. In this way our body get protected. Fine. So we know this thing कि different types of vaccines are available. Okay. BCG for TB, MMR is there, ठीक है, measles, mumps, rubella, okay, many are there, DPT, BCG, MMR, HIV, so many. So just go through the content, and if any doubt you can just talk to me. Thank you.